Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and one of my mentors watched my video. I'm really surprised he watches them, but he said if you did them with the indexing tool or indexing lines, make life a little easier. So we're going to put an indexing line right there. We're going to bring it in. All I'm doing is going over the ruler and bringing in indexing lines. And then we need one more for this part right there. And then we can bring in another indexing line and we can rotate it 45 degrees. And let's bring it into the picture. And what the indexing lines do is give you a good, whoop, I moved the whole thing. Grab the indexing line and move it there. You could actually Control D that indexing line and move it there. So you've got indexing lines everywhere you need to. Now you can take your 2-point line, and as long as you have Snap to guidelines clicked, let's get our 2-point line and just draw a line from that intersection, let go, draw another line to that intersection. And I'm gonna back up here. When she sent the file, she's sending it, I like drawing in red and I like drawing in hairline, just so you can see it. And that changes it. So now when we draw with the 2-point line, it'll be, so it snaps that intersection, snaps to that intersection, let go, go there, let go there, let go down here, let go to that intersection, let go, and go to that intersection, let go. So I'm just using the 2-point line. And then we can use the Smart Fill tool. And voila, let's move that out of the way. Whoop, still have the Smart Fill tool on. And now we can, let's zoom in here. Let's Control D and make a duplicate. She's also got her, so whenever somebody gives me a file, I get their settings. So I'm gonna go 0, 0 with your nudge. Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the control button and mirroring it over. Then you can left click, right click, left click. Well, we want one of them to be black. So that one doesn't really matter, but we'll fill this in with black. We'll fill this in. I'm going to the Smart Fill tool, fill it in with that yellow. And just like the other video we did the other day, using the color eyedropper tool to grab that color and bring it in there. And then always left or right click, no fill. So there's another way, maybe even easier, with indexing lines. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.